Our story today starts in Canandaigua, New York. It was there in 1807, from debtor's prison, that the idea for the Erie Canal was born. Jesse Hawley was a flour merchant who, with his partner Henry Corll, struggled to get their flour from Canandaigua to other markets along several waterways. Henry eventually skipped town with all their money, and Jesse went to prison for 2 years. While he was there, he published essays advocating for a canal system and explaining in great detail how it could be built. Jesse's essays caught the attention of DeWitt Clinton. He was then the mayor of New York City. He saw the canal as an opportunity to put his city on the map.
Presidents Jefferson and Madison refused to help fund the canal, so Clinton had to raise the $7 million needed to build it. Some people thought it was a great idea, but it was a gargantuan undertaking for a nation just 41 years old. The canal would be dug by hand, every inch of it, for 363 miles. It would be 40 feet wide and 4 feet deep.
So what does all this have to do with today's ride? Absolutely nothing. But at the park, you can see remnants of the original canal and ride on the 1862 enlarged canal. After about a 5-minute ride, we came upon the 9 Mile Creek Aqueduct. The purpose of an aqueduct is to carry the canal and its towpath over a river, a ravine, a railroad, or a road. After spending $1.9 million, the aqueduct was restored in 2009, making it the only navigable aqueduct in the state.
Bummer. Went 2 miles and the trail was closed. Well, I guess we just have to move on and get over it.
Well, we just got a rude awakening. We found out we were going the wrong way, and the trail was supposed to be closed because that's where it ends.
It's opening in a week, so we'll have a new trail, brand new and hopefully real exciting. We will come back and try that.
It goes all the way around Onondaga Lake. So now we're going to go that way.
Well, we're back to where we started again and trying to go the right direction this time. It's all fun.